Hi, Stephen. These instructions are just for you. So when you're on your Schoology page for Science Credit Recovery, you'll just want to access this purple folder with your name on it. And in order for you to regain your credit from first semester, it looks like there's 2 units that we've decided you need to complete. So the first one is bonding and reactions, and I've made it pretty short and sweet. Um, You'll be hearing lessons from a guy named Tyler DeWitt, who is an excellent chemistry teacher who has his own YouTube channel. And I chose him because he really, goes he goes straight for the essential information, and so we won't be covering anything extra, just the bare essentials. You'll have to watch a lesson and then follow it up with a quiz. Now, a lot of kids are tempted to just go straight to the quiz, but I'll tell you, you will be very confused and will have a hard time being successful on the quizzes unless you watch the videos, because I've designed the quizzes to mimic the example problems that he goes through. And so seeing that is going to be key. So watch the video, take a quiz. You do need to open this periodic table in order to advance to the next quiz, because you will have to reference that from time to time. Again, you'll have a lesson and a quiz to wrap up this unit. There's no big test for this one, which is kind of nice. But I will say you always have to score at least 70% or higher in order to move on to the next thing. So that's your bonding and reactions. The other thing you need to complete is the astronomy unit, which really just has 3 lessons and 3 quizzes that go with it. So again, you'll have to complete it in order and at least 70% to move on. And that's all you have, which isn't too bad, but you'll want to get started as soon as you can. And I will touch base with you when it looks like you've completed everything. If you have any questions at any time, you can email me at Kelly, Kelly, Christensen, CHRISTENSEN at ISD728.org. Thanks for watching and good luck.